Have you seen a candle doing a seesaw? In today's video I will show you how to make a candle seesaw.
For this activity we need 2 glasses, needle and a candle. We will take the candle and scrape its bottom end so that a wick comes out. We will make the needle hot and poke it through the center of the candle. We will balance the candle on the glass like this. Now we will light the candle on both the ends. We blew one end of the candle and light it again to create the imbalance. As you can see, the candle is rocking like a seesaw. How does this work? As the lower end of the candle burns, wax drips off and the candle becomes lighter. Now the lighter side will move in upward direction and heavier side in the downward direction. This melting of wax continues, and due to the increase and decrease of the weight on either side of the candle, we can see the rocking or the seesaw action of the candle. As the candle becomes smaller and smaller due to the melting of the wax, the rocking action becomes faster and faster. Isn't it fun to watch? Do comment below.